now we're going to work on the next container, which is the all slides function, which directly holds all of the slide boxes. So now the first thing that we want to include is we want to create a flexible layout, and we want to ensure that the flex direction is in a row. So now we want our slide boxes to be towards the center. So for vertical center, we want to use place items and then justify content. We're going to specify that only towards the center to ensure that the slide boxes are horizontally centered as well. So now we want the all slides container to take up 100% or the full width of the container of slider, and then we also want the height to be 100% as well. Now we want to add some margin spacing so that the carousel and the slide boxes look a little more neat. So we are adding this margin spacing or outside spacing towards between the container that holds all the slide boxes and the buttons, and so we're going to add this spacing of 20 pixels. Now because we're adding margin spacing of 20 pixels, the width and height are also affected because margin spacing is added towards the top, left, right, bottom. So we're going to have to use the calculation function once again and reduce the extra 40 pixels that margin spacing may bring, so that there's still a margin spacing seen, however it's not added. Now one more thing that we're going to do is we're going to add an indicator basically so that we can see where our container ends and starts. So we're going to add a border property 1 pixel. We want the line to be solid and we want it to be a different color than the container that we use. We know that black is the slider container and green is the all slides container.